Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make an Apple ID. So guys, let's start now. Just open the Chrome browser. In the address bar, you have to write Apple ID. Then press the enter button. Just click here and it will take you the definite phase. Okay viewers, you can see that there is present different option. Just click on the create your Apple ID. Okay viewers, now you are obliged to give your necessary information. So let's do it. At first you have to give your name. Here first name means first part of your name and last name means last part of your name. So please do it. Now select your country. As I am a Bangladeshi, I am selecting here my country Bangladesh. Obviously you will select your country. Here you will select your birthday. Okay guys, you can see that there is an option name@example.com. Here just copy your Gmail ID. Now you have to create a strong password. Here you have to select your country again. Guys, you have to give your phone number for the verification purpose. Now let's fill up the captcha. Your given password must be strong, otherwise it will not be accepted. A verification code is being sent in your email ID, just copy it. Viewers, you can see that there is an email from the Apple, just copy the code. Verify your phone number to finish setting up your Apple ID. Just check it and write here. Guys, fill up it perfectly, otherwise your Apple ID will not be created. Yeah, it is nice to see that at last my Apple ID is created. Okay viewers, I tried to present the process at the simple way. If you follow my direction, you will be able to create your raffle ID obviously. Okay viewers, I hope you enjoyed it very much. If my video favors to you, please subscribe my channel to get another next content. Have a good day dear.